In the business review this week, we focus on a player in the creative industry, unveiling artistry, tradition, and a family legacy.
It's all leather.
Divine Treasures is about leather. So we make leather bags, leather sandals. Actually, we don't waste leather, so we make from a pin to an anchor when it comes down to leather. Keychains, magnets, jewelry, all of that we do from leather.
Driven by an initial aspiration to secure a hotel job, now evolved into something far greater.
Back then, if you don't know how to make a product, they wouldn't accept you. And the only thing that was available was leather craft. And a friend of mine told me that, all right, I can teach you how to do it. And you know, he lived in one of those volunteer areas in Montego Bay. But because I wanted to know how to make it, I tell myself, listen, nothing is not going to stop me.
And then her creative juices kept flowing. As for the materials and techniques used,
The goat hide, they're unpainted, but the cow hide, the one that has a fur on, that is an imported leather. But all the other ones, we hand paint them ourselves and we cut our own designs. They're hand stitched. Most of our pieces are hand stitched. So the whipping that you see on the side, it's all hand done.
she says the company is 20 years old, but she has been in the craft industry for 35.
I've been doing it from a child. So I had to do craft to help my sisters, which one is on the left, one is on the right of me. Yes, but that's what I had to do, to send myself to school.
$100 investment turned into boundless possibilities. Starting with a pair of handmade slippers, she propelled the company to offer a diverse range of over 20 products, with growth exceeding 150%.
Hotels are taking some of our pieces. That is a plus because it was very hard for Jamaicans to get into a hotel to display their stuff or to even get the gift shops to carry it. So now that I have gift shops that are carrying my products, you know, my glad bag boss.
Family operated, 6 employees, customized pieces, and an ambition to launch a youth outreach program to nurture craft talents. The company is looking to venture into the overseas market in the near future. For the Business Review, I'm Aisha Nation.